This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kari Ross. Charming home centrally located with bright, open floor plan and beautifully refinished original oak hardwood floors. Completely renovated, new vinyl siding, gutters, storage shed, HVAC, energy efficient windows, bathroom, kitchen countertops, cabinets and stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile floor, new fixtures, and paint. Newer roof. Plenty of cabinet space, laundry/mud room leading out to private backyard. Large room with fireplace can be used as master suite, third bedroom with door, or second living room. For more information, review the details below.